Welcome back to Cooking Easy with Easy, and today we will be making cocoa pandan creme brulee. All right. Okay, guys. So here I have some pandan leaves. Okay, pandan leaves. You can buy this at any Asian grocery store. Usually in the frozen section. I got some coconut milk. I got some whole milk. I got some full heavy cream, some green food coloring, some eggs, ramekins, and then a Pyrex glass. And the tools I'm using today will be some measuring cups, a torch, my whisk. I got tongs for some reason. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, here I got 5 eggs that I have in here. I got a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, just regular white sugar. I'm gonna add it in. Whisk it together, okay guys? Whisk it till it's all creamed in nicely. Okay? Good job, too. Start up with that first. That's it. Nice and light green, okay? Set your oven to 320, you're gonna be baking it at 320 for 35 to 45 minutes. Check if it's ready at that time. If not, just cook it for another extra 10 to 15 minutes, okay? 1.5 cups of whole milk. 1 whole cup of cream, heavy cream. 1/2 cup of coconut milk, okay? And some frozen pandan leaves, okay? Store it in there. Bring it to a boil, guys. Bring that to a boil, okay? Let's do its thing. Okay, guys. After your cream and milk and stuff has cooled down, okay? You remove the pandan leaf. Just remove it. The reason why you have to let it cool down is because you're going to be adding to the egg mixture, and if it's too hot still, I gotta wait. Because if it's too hot, it's gonna scald the eggs, right? And it won't be as soft, nobody anglaise, okay? So, okay. Just gotta wait a little longer because it's still too hot. Still too hot, guys. You gotta wait. Let it cool down just a little longer, okay? Okay, guys. Now that your cream has totally cooled down, just add it in slowly and whisk it in, okay? Just add it in slowly. You add it too fast, it's gonna overcook the egg. You don't want that. You don't want it to scald the eggs, okay? Just add it in slowly. Okay, see, now you check the color. See if this is not the color you want it a little darker green, add some more food coloring into it, okay? 1, 2, 3. Start with 1 scoop each first. Go around and do a second scoop. Do half. Oh, just perfect, guys. Guys, we're putting it in. We'll put it in the oven now, and we're gonna cover it. Bake it at 320 for 45 minutes, okay? Just cover the face of it so it doesn't burn the top. Close it and set the timer for 45 minutes. It's been the 45 minute mark. I pulled it out, I checked it. It hasn't set yet. So we're gonna continue cooking it, okay guys? Remember to cover it. Cover it. And then. Okay guys, so it's been another 35 minutes and we're pulling them out because they are done. Okay, now we're gonna take it out and we're gonna cool it down in the fridge. Here, we have them been sitting in the fridge cooling down, okay? We're gonna cool it down until it solidifies. sugar. Guys.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, there you go. When it's done, it should look like that. Okay? This. Okay? Coco Pandan. Creme brulee, okay? Homemade. Ooh. Juicy. It's a pretty good lady. It's a pretty good lady. She's affiliated with the pretty alright guy. Oh, look at that. That is the Coco Pandan creme brulee. Is it good or no? Your face looks like it's not good.
It's so good.
Is it really?
Yeah, it is actually.
Oh, shit. Alright then. Success. Flavorful. Juicy. Oh, look at that. Let's see the inside of it.
That's actually really good.
Okay, enjoy. It's juicy.